Today's video is on the top 3 best lawn aerators. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Walensee Lawn Aerator. Want to bring your lawn back to life? Over time, soil can become compacted, making it difficult for air, water, and nutrients to reach the roots of your grass. This leads to a dry, patchy, and unhealthy lawn. But with the Walensee Manual Lawn Aerator, you can break up compacted soil and thatch, allowing essential elements to penetrate deep into the root system. This creates the perfect conditions for stronger, greener, and healthier grass. Whether preparing to seed new grass, reviving an old lawn, or simply maintaining a lush, vibrant yard, this aerator is the perfect tool to get the job done. What sets the Walensee aerator apart? Unlike traditional tools that require multiple passes, this high-efficiency aerator features 15 sharp tines, each measuring 2 3/10 inches in length. Compared to standard coring aerators with only 4 spikes, this design allows you to aerate more ground at once, reducing time and effort. No more struggling with plastic or metal aerator shoes that can be uncomfortable and difficult to use. Those unstable, fragile spike shoes are a thing of the past. With the Walensee aerator, you get a sturdy, easy-to-handle tool that provides consistent and reliable results every time. Built to last, this lawn aerator is made from durable iron with a powder-coated finish, ensuring heavy-duty performance and resistance to rust. The 34 6/10 inch design allows you to aerate your lawn without bending over, reducing back strain. Plus, the cushioned T-handle and foot bar leverage make the process effortless, letting you apply pressure with minimal effort. Whether you're working with clay, sand, or loamy soil, this aerator helps breathe new life into your yard. Worried about assembly? No need. The kit includes a T-handle pole, a main pole, a foot pedal, 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and 2 wrenches. With easy-to-follow instructions, you can have it set up in just a few minutes. Plus, it's simple to disassemble for convenient storage and transport. For best results, water your lawn beforehand if the soil is dry and compacted. This will allow the aerator to work more effectively. Your satisfaction is a top priority. If you have any questions about the Walensee Lawn Aerator or need assistance, feel free to reach out. They're always here to help. Get ready to say goodbye to hard, dry, and patchy grass, and hello to a healthier, more beautiful lawn. Smash that subscribe button like a heavy-duty aerator rolling over compacted soil. Number 2. Best overall. Seeutek Rolling Lawn Aerator. Looking to give your lawn the boost it needs? The Seeutek Lawn Aerator is the perfect solution to loosen compacted soil and promote a healthier, more vibrant lawn. With its upgraded design featuring 2-inch star-shaped spikes and a laser welding process, you won't have to spend hours assembling your tool. Plus, a small 2 1/2 centimeter hole on the side allows you to add water or sand for extra weight, helping the spikes penetrate deeper into the soil. This smart design effectively breaks up compacted soil, ensuring that oxygen, water, and nutrients can reach your lawn's roots, giving you that lush, green lawn you've always wanted. Why choose this aerator? The Seeutek Lawn Aerator stands out with its 23-inch length and 3 adjustable heights. This ergonomic design allows you to aerate your lawn without bending over, helping you avoid back strain. The padded T-bar handle adds extra comfort, making the process easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're caring for your yard, garden, or lawn, this tool helps you get the job done without discomfort. Built for durability, the Seeutek Lawn Aerator is made from high-density alloy material, making it tough and long-lasting. The inner walls are thickened for extra strength, and the surface is painted to prevent rust, so it's ready for all kinds of weather. The connection between the handle and roller features a stable tripod structure, ensuring the tool stays firm and secure during use. This solid construction results in better soil turning, and the tool's reasonable width and height make aerating efficient and easy on your body. Aeration is key when it comes to growing thick, healthy grass. When soil becomes compacted even slightly, it can block the flow of essential air, water, and nutrients to the roots. This is where the Seeutek Lawn Aerator comes in. By loosening the soil, it ensures your lawn and plants can access the nutrients they need to thrive. It's perfect for gardeners, homeowners, or anyone looking to boost their lawn's health and appearance. Worried about setup? No need. Assembling the aerator is simple and quick. You'll receive clear instructions, and all the necessary parts and components are included. In just a few minutes, you'll be ready to start aerating and bringing new life to your lawn. If you're ready to tackle compacted soil and promote better grass growth, the Seeutek Lawn Aerator is the tool you need. It's an easy-to-use, durable, and highly effective solution for achieving a greener, healthier lawn. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Landzie Hollow Tine Lawn Aerator Tool. Are you ready to transform your lawn into the lush, green paradise you've always dreamed of? The Landzie Core Aerator Tool is designed to make lawn care easier, more efficient, and more effective. Thanks to its revolutionary clog-free beveled tines, this aerator is unlike any other. Traditional lawn aerators can get clogged up with soil and debris, slowing down your progress and wasting your time. But with Landie's innovative hollow tine design, you can easily break up compacted soil, and the 3 solid stainless steel tines work together to push old material up and out every time you press them into the ground. This clever feature saves you from constantly stopping to unclog your aerator and ensures a smoother, faster aeration experience. Want the lawn of your dreams? The Landzie Fork Lawn Plug Aerator helps revitalize your grass by removing compacted soil and thatch, allowing air, water, and nutrients to reach the roots. Regular use of this aerator promotes healthy root growth, boosts resistance to drought and flooding, and reduces the need for excessive fertilizer. For an even more thriving lawn, pair your Landzie aerator with other Landzie tools, like the compost spreader, peat moss spreader, and lawn leveling rake. Together, they'll help you achieve a lush, green lawn that you'll be proud of this season. What makes the Landzie aerator stand out even more is its heavy-duty construction. Landzie has a reputation for designing and building top-tier tools for lawn care, and manual lawn aerators are no exception. Built with powder-coated, durable steel, the aerator is made to handle tough, demanding jobs while remaining strong and rust-resistant. The tripod structure ensures a stable, sturdy connection between the handle and the roller, making sure your aerator won't loosen, break, or fall apart during use. Whether you're a professional landscaper, a dedicated DIY enthusiast, or someone just looking to take care of their lawn at home, you can trust that the Landzie aerator will get the job done with minimal effort and maximum efficiency. One of the best features of the Landzie Lawn Plug tool is that it requires no assembly. It arrives fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. There's no need to worry about complicated instructions. Just grab your aerator and start working. Plus, the tines are easily removable for cleaning or replacement, ensuring your tool stays in perfect working condition for years to come. If you're ready for a lawn that's healthy, vibrant, and strong, the Landzie Core Aerator is the tool for you. With its innovative design and heavy-duty construction, it's the perfect solution for lawn aeration. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.